Okay, we are going to the last questions in this Maths Olympiad 2026. So we have 116, question 116. We have an acute angle theta in a right triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. So our sine theta was given to us as 8/17, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So our opposite is 8, our hypotenuse is 17. We are looking for the adjacent. So we have x square using Pythagoras theory plus 8 square is equals to 17 square, which is the hypotenuse. X square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. So this is difference of two squares, 17 minus 8 bracket 17 plus 8. So going by this, let's say that we have x squared is equals to 17 minus 8 should give us 9 times 17 plus 8 should give us 25. So x equals to square root of 9 times 25. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So our adjacent is 15. What is cos theta? Our cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is 15, while our hypotenuse is 17. So the answer is 15/17. Question 117. We have a matrix there. If let matrix Q equals to 2, 1, 0, 3, find Q square. So Q square is equal to 2, 1, 0, 3 bracket 2, 1, 0, 3. That is Q square plus Q. Let's get Q square. So this is multiplication of matrix. This times this plus this times this. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 times 3 is 3. Let's go to this. 0 times 2 is 0 plus 3 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0 plus 3 times 3 is 9, which is equal to 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9. So our Q square is this. But we are told to find Q square plus Q. So we have 4509 plus our Q 2103. So let us add. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 12. And that will be the answer. Just a minute. So let's continue from here. We go to number 18, 118. We have the line y is equal to 4x minus 1 is tangent to this line. So this is, let's say this is our line, and equation of a straight line is mx plus c. So let's get our gradient first, which is equal to 4. Then to this curve y, so our curve is y is equal to kx raised to the power of 4. And remember, when you can get your gradient or slope when you do your differentiation. Let's differentiate. The y over the x, which is this m, also is equal to 4 times k is 4k, x raised to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's equate this. Let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. Let's equate this and this together. So we have 4k x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 4. Let's divide both sides by 4. Our k x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1. Making k the subject, k is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 3. At the point of tangency, please pay attention. At the point of tangency here, we are going to equate this with this. Please make sure you follow what I'm saying. We are going to equate this to this. Just a minute, let me get something. Okay, sorry. At the point of tangency, we are going to equate, where is that one? This with this. So at the point of tangency, so we have ks raised to the power of 4 is equals to 4s minus 1 because it has at the point of tangency. So remember that here we say that k is equals to 1 over s raised to the power of 3. Let's put it here. So instead of k, I have 1 over s raised to the power of 3, then times s raised to the power of 4 is equals to 4s minus 1. S raised to the power of 3 will cancel s raised to the power. We are left with x because this is law of indices. 4 minus 3 is 1 is equal to 4x minus 1. Let's collect like terms. So I have x minus 4s equals to minus 1, or let's take s this side. When minus 1 comes here is plus 1 equal to 4x minus x. So 1 is equal to 4x minus s is 3x. Then how do we do this? We'll divide both sides by 3. So our x is equal to 1 over 3. But that is not what we are looking for. We are told to find the value of k. We are told to find the value of k. So our k, there's where we made it the subject. Our k here, look at it here. Our k is equal to 1 over s raised to the power of 3. So I have 1 over bracket 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 over 27, which is 1 times 27 over 1. So our k is equal to 27. The next question, we go to 119. We have a car worth 500,000 depreciate. So this is depreciation. So the formula for depreciation is equal to p bracket 1 minus r over 100 raised to the power of n. So let's look at this here. So we have a car worth 500,000 depreciate by 20% each year. So the principal there is 500,000. Let's simplify this first. 1 minus the rate is 20 over 100 raised to the power of n. We don't know how many number of years. So we have 500,000. 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8 raised to the power of n. So this is the idea now. What they are trying to tell you now is that what number are you going to put here that will make it to fall below 205,000? That is what they are asking you there. So that is what we are going to do. So if you check the options there, I just wrote down the options so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you check the options there, so there's a way we can do that. So first of all, let's say that we want to do this now. Let's divide both sides by 500,000. So this is 0.8 raised to the power of n less than what I got here when I divided is 0.41. So let's check the power now. What power are you going to put here based on the option that when you put it, you will get a value less than 0.41? That is the idea. So the power I'm going to put there that will make it to be less than 0.41 is when n is equal to 4. So if our number of years is 4 and you go here and put it in this formula, we are going to get a value less than 205,000. You're going to get 204,800. So the number of years is 4. Let's go to the last question, which is 120. What is the smallest prime factor of 2535? Based on the option given to us, the smallest prime factor there is 3. And with this, we have come to the end of solving all the questions in this year Maths Olympiad. I wish you the best and I can't wait for you to excel. See you in our next edition. Thank you.